today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain from Godaddy to Namecheap. If you're looking to make this move, you'll find that it's a straightforward process, but it's always essential to ensure you follow each step carefully to avoid any hiccups along the way. Let's dive into it. First, we need to unlock your domain, so head over to your Godaddy account dashboard. Once you're in, find the Domain Manager section. It's your home base for managing domains. Here, you'll see a list of your domains. Click on the domain you want to transfer. This will bring up the domain settings page. Look for a section that mentions lock, privacy, or something similar and simply toggle this off. By unlocking the domain, you make it eligible for transfer to another registrar. Next, we must disable any domain privacy if it's active. While in the domain settings, check if domain privacy is enabled. Turning this off is important because it can interfere with the process by keeping your contact information private. Once you've confirmed that the privacy is disabled, our next step is to note down your domain's authorization code, often referred to as the EPP code. Still within the domain settings, look for an option like Get Auth Code or Transfer Domain. Click on it, and Godaddy will send the authorization code to your registered email address. Keep this code in a safe place as you will need it shortly. With these first steps complete, let's turn our attention to Namecheap. Log into your Namecheap account or create one if you haven't already. In your account dashboard, find the Transfer Domain section. You'll be prompted to enter the domain name you wish to transfer. Input your domain and continue with the process. Now, you'll need that authorization code we obtained earlier. Enter this when prompted. The next step is to select your desired domain settings and preferences. Namecheap will guide you through confirming your domain configuration and payment options. Don't worry, this doesn't take too long. Once everything is set up, you'll have the opportunity to review your transfer details. Make sure all your information is accurate. After the confirmation, Namecheap will initiate the domain transfer process. This usually takes a few business days to complete, as Godaddy has to approve the transfer, which they generally do automatically. You'll receive email notifications regarding the progress of your transfer from both Godaddy and Namecheap. Monitor these communications, as they will keep you updated on the status. Remember, while your domain is being transferred, your website and email services will remain operational, just as they were before. Once the transfer is finalized, you'll receive a confirmation email, and your domain will now be successfully managed under Namecheap. And there you have it. Transferring a domain may seem daunting at first, but by following these steps and keeping track of the notifications, you'll have your domain moved over in no time. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful guides.